So today I'm going to be working on casting a panel for my BB-8. I 3D printed this in resin and it needs some TLC, so I'm going to go ahead and fill in some of the holes, fill in some of the gaps, do some sanding on some things so I don't replicate the errors, and then go ahead and set up a dam, fill it with silicone, let it cure, flip it over, do a second part where I use a mesh to hold it rigid. So that's my goal today, is get this ready to cast, set up the mold, set up the dams, do the mold, let it cure. Okay, so you probably were wondering what this container was going to be for. Well, in order to do the casting, I need to create a dam that is at least as high as this is. When I flip it over, I'm going to actually push it down. So I'm going to use the natural curve or the natural flare in order to make it so that when I flip it over, I can reuse the dam. So if you go to the Tillamook factory, they give these away for free, and I got a whole bunch of them. Of course, my wife said, "What are you going to use them for?" And I'm like, "I'll figure it out." Well, I figured it out.